Good afternoon from the end of leg 6. We're back in the same service area that we were for the rest day. So obviously what I'm supposed to say when I'm on these videos is that everything's great and we're having a wonderful time and we have no worries at all. But the reality is today's been a tough day and it's safari, so why shouldn't it be? Obviously Patrick's opportunity is now a little bit limited to see what he can do and see how much time he can claw back, but it's a big ask. The point being, if you put some pressure on those around him, then they may also have the odd issue. In other respects, it's just a bit messy. Chris had a little bit of an off. Ken had a couple of punches. I think Philip had some punches. It's just been a bit of a shitty day, and as I say, that really is how it sometimes is. On a positive note, and we have to be positive, I think that most of the cars are in the top 20, and by any stretch that's an extraordinary achievement. There's 3 days to go and anything can happen. The boys are working extremely hard. It really is hot. Can't quite explain that or articulate that in a way that you could possibly understand, but we're here under the baking sun, wherever the sun is. There's the sun in a sort of dust bowl, and it's tough, but 3 days to go. This is a safari rally. The driver's having a great time. It's a hell of an adventure, and we'll continue to do everything we can to succeed in every way possible. Catch up tomorrow.